Here we have some grids, some corn grids or grains. This is a grain of corn and we're going to make polenta out of this today. This is a northern Italian dish and you will love it. It's low carb, it's very good and it's quick to make. But it's not only going to be polenta, we're going to make a mushroom sauce with an Italian sausage. And we're going to put that on top of our polenta then. So I have here 4 cups of water and I have 1 cup of polenta or corn grain. And it's very easy. A lot of people say use hot water or use stock. Just start off with cold water. I found out that this is one of the best way to do it. And what you like to do is you just bring it up to a boil and you just keep stirring and keep whisking. Now, we do have to do this, I should say, for about half an hour, but not on a constant. We just have to, from time to time, stir it up, and so a lot of people shy away from it. So, but it's very, very simple, and that's what I want to show it. And it's absolutely delicious, and it's so healthy, and it's a lot better than pasta in other way. Anyway, we're just going to keep doing this here, and I'm going to add my spices while it is cooking. I'm going to put some salt in. I'm going to put some oregano in, and I like quite a lot of oregano on it. I will stir this up again. I also like to put in some nutmeg. Now you could put your spice in later on, but while we're doing this, why not? It's starting to get a little bit thicker. It is like a risotto. You can't really go away. Just stay with the dish and you really will be rewarded. It's been a couple of minutes here and it's starting to get rather heavy, just the way we like it. But we have a long way to go on this, so just gonna keep on stirring till it gets thicker and thicker and thicker. This would be a good opportunity for you to subscribe to my channel and put the notification sign on, and then I will see you every week and you will never miss a video. You can see thicker and thicker it gets. Now we have about 4 cups of water. Now, sometimes you can get up to 6 cups of water that you need to add to. You need to cook this. You can't just stir it up and that's it. So you need to really cook the corn and the grain. So I'm going to put a little bit more water in here, or half a cup for now. I will feel it in a few minutes of what's going on. And I might turn it down just a little bit lower heat, but you have to continue stirring every 5 minutes. So I no longer need the whisk. I just, this is not thick enough yet, so I'm going to put it in the back here. I'm going to just put it on low heat and keep on stirring. So we're still at it. It's about 10 minutes so far. It's getting there where I want, but what I wanted to show you, if you ever have some nice Parmesan grains or any kind of cheese grains that you probably throw out, don't throw them out. Put them in things like polenta or your risotto. It's going to melt away and we want some cheese in there anyway. And you have not wasted your cheese. And here we're sauteing our onion. It is mushroom. And I've got these beautiful sausages here, Italian sausages with fennel. And they're rather spicy, so I'm not going to put a lot of spices in here. I'm just going to do a little salt and pepper and let those things come together. And there's just the 2 of us, and that's about all we need. Now, as you know, this is a gluten-free product, and I would really, if you're buying polenta, I would really urge you to buy organic for your health. We're almost getting there, and now I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese, but I'm also going to add a couple of spoons of nutritional yeast, which is very good for it. It's got lots of B12. It's very good for vegans and vegetarians, and if you don't want to use as much dairy in your cheese anymore, it is great. Beautiful vegan meal if you want it to be, and leave some of these out because I'm going to put a couple of butter in there because I want it really creamy. See, it's almost there where we want to be. Almost coming off easy on the side. So like it's a porridge-like substance. What you can do is also, you can have it for breakfast, you can have it for dinner, you have it with your lamb, with your steak. It's beautiful. But what you can also do is put it in a container. Just a flat one here. And what could you do is, tomorrow we can cut fries out of it and pan fry it. So not only is it porridge, but you can pan fry it, you can use it for stuffing, you can make fries out of it. So we'll just put a little bit of goat cheese that we've made the other day on top of here. Beautiful, beautiful meal. You can leave the sausage out and make it completely gluten-free, meat-free, vegan. Even the cheese is fine. Here we are. Polenta from the northern part of Italy with sausages and mushroom. Best fall meal ever. If you enjoyed this video, remember to be fearless in your kitchen.